All right, I'm just finishing up on a paint job here. You probably have seen it maybe in another video, but I want to show you, zoom in and show you the details of this Urekem, what is called Ultra Flair. This is a color shifting holographic pearl mid coat effect. So you would put this pearl coat over existing colors to get a color shifting effect to it. So we're gonna mix it up and spray it. We'll take you through the process here. This stuff mixes 2 to 1, so you want to use a cup like this, you know, and you got a graduated scale there that says 2 to 1, so you could use that, or you can just use the ounces and put whatever amount you put in there. Let's say you know, you put 4 ounces of that, then you would take half of 4 and put another 2 ounces of reducer to get your 2 to 1 ratio. You can do it either way. I always do the, you know, the quick math on it. So we're going to do exactly what I just said. We're going to put 4 ounces of the pearl here, brand new container. And if you don't know about Urekem, you got to go check them out. They're at thecoatingstore.com, and really great guys to work with. I use a lot of their products in the work I do, and they always ship within a day or so, and usually within 1 to 3 days I get the product that I order, including the transit time from Mississippi or Louisiana. Can't remember exactly. I think it's Mississippi that they ship from, but they might be right on the line. So we got that mixed up 2 to 1 there, and let's go get it sprayed. All right, guys, so we're in the paint booth here, and the one thing I want to point out is this product is, you know, really leaves ultimately the creativity to the person using it to get the kind of effect that you want. So if you're using this on a motorcycle or a car panel, you know, or a car, you want that, you know, sort of uniform look about it. You're not going to want to do it the way I'm doing it here. The thing you see I'm doing is I'm going into the areas that have the gray base and putting a lot more of this pearl effect into there because I want those areas to show up more with the actual color tone of the pearl themselves. And then you'll see in a second here, I'm putting a few coats, light coats, over the whole thing so that it just sort of blends it in. Because the more coats you put on this, the more it kind of takes on the hue and color of the actual pearls. And if you just dust on light coats, you can get a different effect where you just see the individual pearls themselves rather than, and still you have the base color behind it. I will say that it works better on darker colors, and this particular piece here has mostly light colors on it. But I'll show you at the end here as we wrap up the color differences, you know, in this and how it looks. All right, so here's a look at it all finished up, and you'll notice as I move the camera around with a flashlight on it, you'll see the color shift from different tones as I move around on it. And again, this is one where I really put lots of heavy pearl on there. So again, this is just left up to you to kind of get the, you know, the effect you want by experimenting with it. And in a second I'll show you what it looks like if you just dust on some light coats. Here you see up close, you can get a little bit better idea of the color shifting effect as the camera and the light moves to different angles. It really shows up better in the sun, and of course with under normal room light you get a different effect as well. So it's really cool stuff to work with. All right, so here's the other piece I made, and I didn't spray any on this at all. What happened was this was actually just in the paint booth while I was doing the other one, and this is the Overspray. And you see that how, you know, the individual pearls, because it just got a light dusting, how it gives, you know, the individual colors and so forth against that black base. Now, if you were to put a bunch of coats on this like I did the other one, it would completely change it. It wouldn't even look black at all. It would take on, You see those color of the pearls in there are blue, red, green, you know, all different colors like that. You would get so much pearl on it that it would mostly cover up the black, and you would see these color shifting looks. So anyway, guys, check out urekem.com and or thecoatingstore.com and check this stuff out if you want to change up your projects or give a cool effect. See ya.